Patrol, Paw Patrol, Ryder needs your help. There's an entire family of kittens and they're lost in the sand. We need help to get them out. Where are the Paw Patrol pups? If you need help digging in the sand, then you need Kinetic Sand Paw Patrol pups. They'll be a great help. This is a really cool set, and we need to build Chase, Marshall, and Rubble so that they can help us dig in the sand and find our missing cat family. Let's open it up and see what we've got. Oh, do you recognize these colors? What color is this? It's yellow. Good job. Do you know what pup is yellow? Rubble. We'll use the yellow sand to build Rubble on the double. Do you know what color this is? It's blue. Do you know what pup is the color blue? It's Chase. We'll use the blue sand to build our Chase pup. And what's this last color? Does anybody know? It's red. Do you know which favorite pup is red? It's Marshall. Great job. We'll use the red sand to build Marshall. And then we have to go find our missing cat family. Here's Ryder, and he's here to help. Let's start with Rubble on the double. So we're going to take our sand and we're going to put it in here and make us a sand rubble. There we go. Pack it in. And then, who do we have? It's Rubble on the double. Wow! That's so cool. Yellow Rubble. He's going to be perfect to help us find the missing cats. All right, one pup down. Now we need to make two more. There we go. And we're going to take some of this blue and make a Chase. There we go. Which of these is your favorite? Rubble, Chase, or Marshall? Do you know? All right, are you ready? Here is Chase. He's on the case of the missing cats. Don't worry, we'll find the mommy cat, the daddy cat, and all of the baby kittens. So we have Chase and Rubble. Now we need to make a Marshall. Okay, move the blue out of the way. Do you remember what color Marshall is? He's red. That's right. There we go. Take off the extra. And are you ready to see Marshall? Ta-da! He's all fired up. And he's gonna find those missing cats. Let's look at all three of our pups that we made. This is so cool. Yellow, blue, red. Great job, everybody. And now it's time to start digging. Let's start over here. Oh, you know what? I think we found something right off. Does that look like one of our missing cats? It's a puzzle piece. And it's a missing cat. This is Daddy Cat. Do you know what color he is? He's orange. Now that we found Daddy Cat, we need to find Mommy and the kittens. and they'll be all together in the same puzzle. Very cool. One cat down. Let's see if we can find the rest. Let's keep digging. I'm going to look through this whole thing. Oh, I found something else. It's a puzzle piece, but this is a different puzzle. I wonder what it goes to. Let's sit it over here and maybe we'll find the rest. Oh, more feet. Now we have these Paw Patrol feet and these Paw Patrol feet. Huh, I hope we find the rest of the pups. Let's keep digging. Hey, is that a face? I think so. Look at that. It's Chase. I bet it goes with this set. But we need to find the rest of his body. Let's keep looking. Oh, more pieces. Woohoo! I found Chase's body. We can start putting it together. Like this and like that. Now we just need Chase's hat. Way to go, everybody. And you know what? I think we found Marshall's body. Do you remember what color Marshall is? Red. Marshall is red. Ta-da! That's such a cool puzzle. We've dug through half the sand, but we've only found one cat. We better keep looking. Oh, what is this? Is it a piece to our Marshall puzzle or our cat puzzle? It looks like a kitty cat. It's Mommy Cat. Do you know what color Mommy Cat is? She's red. R-E-D. Red. That's what color she is. Very good. There's part of our puzzle. Now we need to find the missing kittens to finish the puzzle. Way to go, everyone! Mommy and Daddy Cat said there are 4 kittens that we need to find. Oh, I think we found him! This one is the blue kitten. B-L-U-E. Blue. Aw, it's so cute. Let's keep looking and see what other kittens we can find. Oh, there's something hiding under rubble. I think it's one of our missing pieces. It's Marshall's face. Put it together. Just like that. Now we're just missing the hat. Where are the rest of our kittens? Oh, I see something. Is it a kitten? I think it is. It's the yellow kitten. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Yellow. We have a yellow and a blue kitten. Aw, they fit together perfect. I can't wait to put that puzzle together. But you know what? I see some ears over here. It's Chase's hat. Woohoo! We completed the Chase puzzle. 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. Chase's all put together. See this? You put his hat on, and then his body, and then his feet. Ta-da! Now we just need to find Marshall's hat. Let's keep digging. What's over here? Is this Marshall's hat? It It sure is. Ta-da! We finished both of the Paw Patrol puzzles. Woohoo! Way to go, everybody! Marshall and Chase. But we've still got 2 kittens to find. Oh, I think I found one. It's purple. P-U-R-P-L-E. This kitten is the color purple. Good job. We need one more kitten. There she is. Do you know what color this is? This is the same color as Rocky. Green means go. This kitten is green. G-R-E-E-N. Green. Woohoo! We did it. Now let's put our cat puzzle together and get our whole cat family back together. First, you have Mommy, Daddy, and we have Baby Kitten, Baby Kitten, and the last 2 kittens. Woohoo! Now let's see if we remember our colors. Green, red, blue, yellow, orange, purple. Great job! I'm so proud of you guys for learning your colors. Woohoo! You're amazing! I really enjoyed showing you all of these cool toys and finding the neat surprises in the sand. If you have any questions, place them in the comments. And be sure to subscribe for lots more toys. Thanks, guys!